Hello, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever tried to record a video and can't seem to remember the words? Well, you're not alone. I'm going to make this DIY teleprompter I saw on YouTube and put it to the test. It's a DIY, so be prepared to see my creativity at work. If this is your first time here, welcome. This channel is all about tutorials, product reviews, and projects. If this is the type of content you're interested in, then please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Now, let's get to the video. Hello, welcome back to my... Let's try again. And there you have it. And there you have it. We just... Step number 1, gather your supplies. For this, you will need 1-inch black binder, black tape, clip binders, medium size, pencils, 2 of them, an 8x10 glass picture frame, teleprompter app, smartphone or iPad, box cutter or scissors, black piece of cloth, and remember, safety first. Now this is optional. You will need a teleprompter holder. It could be a tripod, a table, a chair, a stack of books. Be creative, whatever you have laying around the house. Now, let's move on to the next process. First, unwrap the picture frame and remove the glass carefully. Remove the binder paper holder frame. I don't know what it's called, but that little frame in the middle, remove it. Draw an inner line about 1/4 inch. Then you're gonna cut the inner 1/4 inch line frame. You gotta make sure that you do this carefully, and of course, make sure that you protect the table that you're gonna be using to cut the binder. Okay, and step number 3, we're gonna assemble the teleprompter. Carefully place the glass between the panel of the binder. Okay, make sure all edges are even. You want to make sure that the glass fits evenly in that hole that you just made. Now grab the black tape and tape around the glass. This is for protection and it will secure the glass. Make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Now we're going to take 4 clip binders and clip them on to the top and bottom of each corner of the binder. This, along with pencils, will support the top of the teleprompter. What you're going to do now is you're going to install a teleprompter app on your smartphone or tablet. You can pick whichever you want as long as it's free, unless you want to pay for it. Now, type a short script and set the speed. This is very important. Now, place the teleprompter on a table, a chair, a tripod, or whatever you're using to hold the teleprompter. It needs to be flat, sitting on a surface. Now, place the teleprompter in front of the camera. Make sure the glass on the teleprompter is clean and free of marks. Place a black cloth over the teleprompter and the camera to block out any glare. If you successfully completed these steps, you are now ready to start using your teleprompter. When using a teleprompter, try to sound and look natural. It will take practice to master the teleprompter, so take your time. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and be well. By the way, I was using a teleprompter all this time. Did you catch that? Comment in the section below. Thank you.